might be alone in this world, but I'm a believer. Doesn't matter what they say, I'm just believing in everything that's believable. And I spend most of my time trying to find something to believe.
I'm a truster. I give everyone a chance until they blow it, and then I give them one more chance, 'cause that's what trust is. Even though sometimes it makes no sense at all, but it's not a waste of time spending all your life just trying to find someone to believe.
I guarantee you this is exactly what he had hoped would happen with this thing when he passed. That on Father's Day you'd be going to church with your family in it.
Well, I'm a lover. I don't always get it right, but I'm a lover. And it's always worth the fight, 'cause that's what love is. No matter what it takes from you. And I've spent all my time and every single dime that I could find. 'Cause love is